Hey guys, so in this video, I will be giving a brief beginner-friendly introduction to OpenAI Agents SDK. This tool is used to build agentic AI apps. The SDK provides many different features and capabilities, but we will mainly be looking at how to build AI agents with it. More specifically, we will be looking at how to build a social media manager agent with tool invocation. That being said, let's get started. I will be working in a Google Colab environment, which I highly recommend for learning. The first thing we will need is a .env file, which we will store our API key and the model we will be using. Also, we will be using the Gemini model in this video, but all the concepts and code still apply for any model of your choosing. If you don't have a Gemini API key, I recommend looking at my video on how to get one. This will be linked in the description. Okay, now that we have that, the first thing we need to do is download the OpenAI Agents SDK to our Google Colab environment. Next, we will need to import some other things that we will need for later. Additionally, we need to be able to load in our .env file. This is where our API key and which model we will be using is specified. Now we will need to create an asynchronous client object that speaks to the OpenAI API. By default, this points to the OpenAI models, but because I am a cheapskate and don't want to pay for OpenAI, we are redirecting it to point to the free, rate-limited Gemini model. So instead of talking to OpenAI servers, this client setup now sends requests to Google servers. The SDK has adaptations to many different models, so you're not only limited to using OpenAI or Gemini models. Here we are using a wrapper class provided by the OpenAI Agents library. This allows us to specify the Google server client we created and which specific Gemini model we want. Here we specify that we want our agent to be a social media manager that will send DMs to an expert of the field asking them to be on my channel for an interview. Next, we create the agent, give it a name, pass it the instructions we created, and specify that we want to use the Gemini model. And then we will prompt the user, asking them who do we send the DM to, and pass it to our agent who will output a formatted, personalized direct message ready to send. Now let's demo this. Let's click on the run button. We will be prompted for a person to DM. We will put Elon Musk in our case, and we will hit enter. Our Gemini model returns the message we wanted. Now let's take a look at our diagram. We already have our agent, which takes an input from a user and generates a message based on that input. Now let's add the tool invocation portion of it. You can think of tools like giving our agent the ability to do an extra step if the agent thinks it makes sense to do so. In our case, the tool we will be giving our social media agent is the tool of having a research agent which produces a summary based on the name provided. So now when the social media manager agent gets a name, it decides on its own to use its research agent tool to get more information about this person before generating a personalized message. In this case, our tool happens to be another agent, but it doesn't have to be. A tool can be any other type of functionality you decide. So now we create our agent, giving it the instructions that it's a research tool. And in order for it to be considered a tool, it has to have the function tool tag. Now we modify our original social media agent to be able to invoke the research tool whenever it pleases. Now let's run it and see what we get. I also added print statements so we can see the execution flow. Here we can see our social media agent is called, where it then calls on its research tool and gets a summary of Elon Musk. It then uses that information to make a more personalized message. All this code will be provided in a GitHub link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.